Hi guys, I thought I'd make a little video on this little Flir TKX and the problems that cause these to have no power. If you drop them like this, that's all it's really going to take to disconnect the little battery connector inside. So at the moment, I've actually fixed this, but I forgot to do the video. So obviously, push the button, it's going to power on, it's going to work. So if you plug this in with a charger lead, which I've got here, if I get a fucking thing. A good way to know that the power lead from the battery to the motherboard has been disconnected is it'll just keep flashing green to indicate that it's charged, but you push the button and there'll be nothing. If you connect the power lead and you push this button, you see it power on, you know that's disconnected. So I'm going to show you that right now. I'll show you what the issue is and how to solve it. Hopefully I'll do this in one take. Got this stuff, this peels off. I've already taped it, but I'm going to do it again. I'm not going to bore to death for that. So I'm going to get rid of this. Hopefully we can see. I've got little screws times 4. I'll take them out. I've had this screwdriver for 26 years. This is awesome. So there's a front. What we have here, if I can get a pointy thing, battery connector there. So I'm going to pull this off deliberately. Like that. When I've got this one, like this. Not the most delicate removal. So if I can see it. That's the power lead. It's disconnected. So what I'm now going to do is grab the power supply and show you what it looks like. You fuck it up. Plug this in. I'll move the camera in a second. Disconnect this. I'll show you what it looks like not connected. Hopefully you not lose all the screws. So it's going to look like that to make it appear it's fully charged, which it is not. When you power it on, it will show this light up. Actually, I'll do it for you. Like that. You can see it's illuminated. Put the thing back. So it's very easy to drop this on its nose and have that little clip. This little clip come out. That's all it takes is frontward motion. I'll put it back in. Not as easy as it looks with a camera in your face. Get a better view on it. Without damaging the ribbon. I hope we can potentially see it. There we go. Doing this pointing through a camera is not easy, especially if I'm using these the wrong way around. Do a bit of purchase on it. See people do repairs like this often on YouTube, and they make it look so bloody easy to put the wire where you want it. Move that out a bit. One second. I'm just about to see what I'm doing. Get some light on it. Obviously this knife is not the best thing to use. There we go. What a pain in the ass. So yeah, I've got it where it needs to be. I'm going to make sure it's in properly. While trying to do this on the camera without knocking it. So that's good. So it should theoretically power up again, which it does. Switch it back off. There we go. Put the screws back in. Not put them all in fully at the moment. We have a little O-ring in here, and I want to make sure that's sealed hermetically. One thing I will be doing is taking this crap back off, because there's a little vent. I inadvertently covered it up. You don't want to tighten these to death neither. So on these, just tighten it till it comes to a stop. So all you do is compressing that little plastic seal. You don't want to over tighten these. I'm going to bring that to a stop as well. And that's come to a stop. And that's come to a stop. Like that. It's back on again. I don't know if we can see through it. Let's have a look. If we put that. Oh, get in there. Professional photographer. This is England, so they've got a good old cup of tea on the go there. Oh, look at that. That's my foot. Unfortunately, my old man ain't long enough to get into the equation. It's only an 8-inch. Yeah. Let's have a look. this. That goes that way. Last time I put this on, I did it incorrectly. I'm going to put it on. Shouldn't stick enough. Around the edge, just pop it in. Tart it all up so it's sticky again. There's another guy did a really good video on these where he replaces the battery. I should try and find that and add that as well. This is a really good video. But yeah, if you drop them this way, even very lightly, due to that cable inside being a little springy, it can just clip out. So I hope this video is of some use to someone. Have an immensely sexy day. Stay amazing. Oh, actually, fuck it, 1 second. So TKX, 1 second. So this is what it is. It's a Scout TKX. I had the one before this, similar problem. Anyway, yeah. Have a good one. Bye.